from Tesla Owners US, and my Silverado was also at Serenity EV, and I can bring it there as well because I had something to be done with this car, and I trusted him because he has experience in many cars, many different cars, and that's where we're going now. And let's see what he did.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future.
Willst mit auf die Kamera? So Jonathan, tell me what you did on the car.
We installed a rat deterrent device, and that was under the frunk.
Under the frunk.
And where we chose to put it, I have a picture of this.
Yeah.
Honestly, I didn't.
Send me the picture.
I will. I didn't take a good picture. Now that I think about it.
Okay.
But where we chose to put it was in an area towards the center, underneath the frunk, so that the lights and the ultrasonic sound
yes
would be seen.
Okay.
So it turns on for 30 seconds, then it turns off for 3 minutes, is what it said.
Okay.
And then on for 30 seconds, then off for 3 minutes.
Yeah.
So it's constantly on. Just
that's
FYI.
okay.
It has a safety feature that if the 12-volt battery, which I think the threshold is a little too low, but if it gets to 9 volts, it'll turn off. And I think 9 volts is a little low. By that time, I mean, the vehicle's dead, so who cares?
Yeah.
The next thing we did is we installed your forward and reverse drive cameras.
Yes. So for me, it's pretty sad that this the good thing on the Tesla, it has a camera system.
Yeah.
Right, and there's observation system all around
all
the car.
The time.
But
this one not so much.
there are not so many people destroying
Silverados.
Silverados.
That's true. That's true. And then the last thing we did was a request from you was disconnect the speakers.
Yes.
So you had a front and a rear. The front, both were on the driver's side.
Okay.
So the front one and then the rear one. The nice thing is that there was only 2 wires, so it was just the speaker. So it doesn't look like there's any alerts or faults or warning chimes that it's disconnected. So it doesn't matter.
So we don't have that stupid sound.
Yeah, you don't have the stupid sound
anymore. Okay, good. Thank you very much. We appreciate your efforts to do that and to go in there and figure that out. So it comes on the next series on the channel.
Okay.
And then
cool.
We're going to do the same thing in German as well.